Hello, Trevor, and Merry Christmas. I have a Christmas gift for you.
In a pop case.
In a pop case. We are sitting in Sweden now.
Nå, hun filmer.
And celebrating Christmas. And we have forgotten how much you celebrate Christmas, and if you do and how much, but it doesn't matter, so we're just gonna give you a little Christmas greetings.
Honeycomb.
And I'm gonna teach you the song that you love so much. And I'm gonna play it for you slowly so you can see what to play.
One song.
And the first thing I'm going to show you is the F sharp minor, like that. And it's very simple. So you go.
Kan man se det hele?
No, nej, bare her.
Godt.
So you go like that, and you go one more time. So that's actually the whole thing in the beginning. Like that. And after that you go to B sharp minor. Same thing. And then a D. And a D minor. And an A. And E. And then all over again. That's the verse. So it goes like this. F sharp, back to B sharp minor, both minor chords, and then D, and D minor, and A minor, and E. That's the verse, and it goes. It takes a crane to build a crane, and it takes 2 floors to make a story. It takes an egg to make a hen. It takes a hen to make an egg. There is no end to what I'm saying. That's the verse. The chorus is quite simple too. It's the 2 only parts that are there. So it goes also F sharp minor, and it goes from F sharp to B sharp minor to E and to A. That's the 4 chords. And you go the exact same thing on your right hand, where you go. And one more time, and that's it.
Men ved han godt, hvad du spiller i højre hånd?
Slap nu af. And it ends there. So, the right hand technique, please, over here. You're gonna, if you take the start of the song, so you actually go thumb, index, and the rest, like that, and you go bum bum next time. So it says boom. Oh, one more time. And next chord, B sharp, and the D is just simple. It goes twice on the D, and then to D minor, and A, and then the E. Go one more time, slowly. So. And then the chorus is same thing. Sha la 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 la, life is wonderful. Sha la 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 la, life goes full circle. That's it. Okay. I expect you lucky to be. You will be able to play this when we come down to see you in 2 months' time. Look at how she looks at me when I'm playing. She's like that. It's not really working for me, I guess, but that's it. Really encouraging, sweetheart. Thank you. Say something.
Hello, Trevor. See you soon.
Hi Trevor. Looking forward to seeing you all.
Mor, kom lige ind og sig hej til Trevor, og Hubry, og Mikey, og alle sammen. Og Gabby.
Hello, Trevor, and Gabby, and Ubri, and Mikey. Happy Christmas. Have a nice holiday. I'm looking forward to see you soon. Hello. Hey, hey.
Skal du lige sige noget, Søren? Så. Er Søren der?
Han er løsenvej.
Okay.
Vil du lige sige noget, Trevor?
Hunden vil sige noget.
Bare stop nu.
The dog. Okay. I think he left. Come on. There he is.
Hej Trevor.
That's it.
Happy Kwanzaa.
Boom.